Hi, this is Mr. Langley. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get into Google Classroom, get into the right class, view an assignment, and then after we work on that assignment, turn in that assignment so the teacher knows it's ready to be checked. So the first thing you want to do is go down and make sure that you have a Chrome browser open. So if you don't have one open starting off, click on the Chrome icon in the bottom to open one. Then go up to the app grid in the top right. Remember, sometimes we call that the waffle. So the Google App Grid, navigate down to where you see Classroom. Farmingdale students, remember that Classroom is that green picture frame with a student in it. So you'll click on Classroom. Once all of your classes come up, navigate to the class you need to work on and click on the title of that class. Okay, that'll get you into the class. Now, all of your schoolwork should be in the classwork tab. That's where you're going to look for assignments. Okay, I'm going to go down to an example assignment. I've been using this as a training classroom for quite a while. So we're going to go down and we're going to pick an assignment. And I think I want to do the one that says sample assignment. So I'm going to click on the name of the assignment. When I click on the name of the assignment, some of the stuff in the assignment comes up. Then I need to click where it says view assignment. Okay, let's do that again. I find the assignment. I click on the name of the assignment. And then I'm going to go down and click on view assignment. Okay, so if this assignment has multiple parts, sometimes teachers have videos that they want you to watch. You can watch the videos, and sometimes they have web links for you to go to that have information for you to check out before you do the assignment. So make sure you look at the instructions that the teacher posts and go through all of the resources. When you're ready to work on it, you go to the Your Work box and click. Okay, when you click on your work in the box, if it's a Google document, it'll come up and it might have a start that the teacher gave you, and you're going to work through the assignment. And after you do all of the stuff on that assignment, then you're going to be ready to turn it in. Okay, so I'll do all my work on it, and afterward, I'm going to go up. I'm going to find the button at the top right that says turn in. Now, the neat thing about Google Classroom, it has a couple different areas where I can turn things in. So I can turn it in from that button, or I can go back to my assignment and I can turn it in when I'm done. Okay, Farmingdale students, remember that anything that you're doing in this saves as it goes. There's no special save button for a Google Doc or a Google Slide or anything like that. It saves as you go. So if I'm typing along, notice it has saving and it says that it's saved for me. So it's all covered. And the other cool thing about working on something that's from Google Classroom is I don't have to worry about my folder structure or where it saved it, because I can always get back to it from Google Classroom. Okay, so I'm going to turn this in from here. I'm going to click Turn In. And notice that it opened up a new tab for me, and that's fine. And it's going to say, turn in your work as a question. Do you want to do it? Are you really sure you want to do this? And if you're sure, then you can hit Turn In. After you have it turned in, if the teacher does not have a deadline due date on it, or it's before the teacher's deadline or due date, if you forgot to do something or you want to change your answer, you can click on Unsubmit and go back and fix it. However, you do have to make sure you hit that Turn In button again. Okay. If I go to that document after I have turned it in, you're going to notice that, wait till it gets done loading. There it goes. I cannot do any edits unless I'm able to unsubmit it. Okay. I can request edit access from the teacher, but if it's something that's already been turned in and that assignment is over, the teacher is probably not going to give you edit access because they want to preserve that assignment as your final draft. Okay, if I need to get out of an assignment after I've turned it in, I can simply go back and click on the title of the class to get back to the class. I also need to kind of keep an eye on an assignment. If a teacher gives me some comments, those will show up in the private comments box. I can have a question I can ask. If the teacher gives me a comment, I can also reply and say, and ask a question about the assignment. Okay, I can also give generic comments. Remember, keep these professional. This is school time, so make sure that they are in school mode. Okay. Again, if you have any questions about how to submit an assignment or anything like that with Google Classroom, then send me, Mr. Langley, an email.